Mailzapp Review is an email marketing review that helps the potential customer to know more about Mailzapp, which is one of the latest in email marketing applications. Mailzapp has some remarkable features that are worth noting. The product creator takes care of everything in the background and the user does not have to do anything. This is not some time-saving program, but it is a complete mailing list management system that meets all your needs in the market. So let us now move ahead and find out what Mailzapp is all about and how it can work wonders for your business. Mailzapp is a totally automatic email sending and receiving system that works on a virtual server. So you do not need any special skills, expertise or experience to run this software on your network. Mailzapp also comes with the most amazing features that are sure to amaze and please you. So in this Mailzapp review we will try and find out what sets it apart from other similar applications. The author of this wonderful email management software creation claims that Mailzapp is the best free software available in the market. First of all, let us find out what is the warranty of Mailzapp and whether it has any flaws. The author of Mailzapp, David Gerspach, is so confident about Mailzapp that he offers a 60-second due date with full customer support. So that is how far this email marketing software has gone since its launch 2 years ago. Mailzapp is completely compatible with Microsoft Outlook as well as with other major email software like Lotus Notes, Outlook Express, and Outlook Mobile. In addition to this, it can be used with Macintosh computers also. Another great feature of Mailzapp is that you don't have to subscribe to any extra mailing list before you start using Mailzapp. So, if you own a business and are looking for a way to promote your products through email marketing, then you should definitely consider Mailzapp. Mailing lists have become extremely costly in the last few years and Mailzapp gives you incredible value for your money. One of the best features of Mailzapp is the built-in scheduler, which allows you to schedule all your emails from one place. Moreover, Mailzapp also comes with a built-in photo album that allows you to store all your pictures taken by your kids. In addition to all these amazing features, Mailzapp also provides you with amazing flexibility. You can easily change the layout, colors and fonts according to your taste and requirements. In fact, Mailzapp Review-new revolutionary feature called Mail Scanner that helps you scan all the documents without manually searching for the keywords. However, what makes Mailzapp Review-new revolutionary is that it is packed with all the features that any professional marketer would desire for his or her business. One such amazing feature of Mailzapp Review is that you can also track your profits and losses. This is available through an inbuilt Google Analytics account and you can get detailed information about the profitability of your product.